Alright.
Alright.
This is the elevator at the Larsen Media Shops here in Bushwall, Blue Lake Shore. It's a Musa. Actually, I know this. I've literally been on this before. Oh man, there's a fan on now. Okay, motor. This thing pretty loud.
Oh, that's a big bump. There are 3, 1. What both my lights up? You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
These are Musa.
Musa
Maintained by
ElevatorX.
Corporation.
A lot of elevators in Blue Lake
These are
Shore
pretty
had.
speedy going down.
Yeah, it's pretty fast. This elevators are pretty speedy in general. This is probably one of the loudest elevators in Blue Lake Shore. I was hoping the fan wasn't even on. Wow, it takes forever to level going down.
It does. Look at the cap too.
That might be a snap cap? I don't know.
And right there it goes, and that'll be it. That was a pretty interesting Musa.